Welcome to BGA Digital Lab, SMTVS development site. So we're here today to talk about the further acceleration of the generator program. So, when I did a program using all um, audio jungle players, Zoom, video galleries, and all that stuff. But it actually started out to be the HTML. So I created the audio version from the original program. And it had a bunch of stuff in there, like creating stores and stuff like that. So then I got around to maybe I should go there, right? Let's go over here to my ops. So I got to this site, right? And I started playing around with the AI. And the AI gave me something. See, so I'm smiling here. I'm like really blown. I'm like really blown away. You see, I have a studio page here and I have an audio generator. And I have a page builder, and I have a shop builder, and I have a preview page, and I have administrative stuff, like even the administrative stuff that I had not built. I think what it was that I have the original program in a dashboard, right? So when the AI I uploaded, I actually uploaded my work into the AI, right? And the AI asks me a few questions, and after asking me a few questions, the AI said, okay, I'm gonna build this. You know what I mean? I'm like, okay, and I sits there and watch it go through the process until it went to the end and said, okay, we're gonna do the hook up all the JSON and all this. I'm like, what? You know what I mean? They're gonna do all the Java stuff too and all this stuff, hooking up everything. Like, okay, let me kick back here and like really. So you guys look at this. So I put the name and where the audio is and where the image is, and in fact below here is just like doing that, right? And then it asks me also if I wanted to give away an embedded code to the user, and I said, okay, yeah. And then I got in there, and so now as I write this page right here, it would automatically write this. It's so funny that I did a program in the past, a HTML5 generator program in the past that did the same thing. Soon as but the way I did it, when you upload, soon as you uploaded like the video and stuff inside of the page, like that, it'll automatically search my database and configure it. So what you see happening at the bottom right here. And the next great thing about it is that now we actually, before like an original program that I have like a file manager, and this is actually making a file manager here. I did this, and it's basically like an update, and I can go and do another one, you know. So I'm not even trying to like I'm not even tried out the store. I'm not tried out the store. Let me see the studio, cause I haven't seen the studio. Oh, okay. So, all right. So on the front is a studio, and then you can have all the stuff that's in the studio, and you can preview and export, right? Okay. So I've always talked about exporting to other people's sites. So let's let's um let's talk more about that. Okay, so now I'm into, you guys know the trial version because I just happened to stumble onto the site, fed it my program, it wrote my program. So you know there's a paid version, a premium version there. And you guys definitely know I'm going to go into the premium version so I can take all the big generator, the master generator, and make a really master version of the program of all of our custom players embedded in, all our custom videos embedded in. You be sure when you come over to VG and come to the Dark World Generator Studio that you're gonna have a thing that can really produce quality stuff. So let's while we're here, let's look at the shop. Okay, let's go in the page builder. I mean, it's just doing a bunch of stuff. So we don't really, I'm not really, really, really here we go. We have social community, right? Because in the program I did have, okay, see, in the original script, I have social community, I have store building page, I have a lot of that stuff happening there. So basically, the AI read the program and said, okay, you need a store building page as well, right? I have no clue of how the store would be look. I can add menu links here. Let's see, right? And just the side of the menu. That's great. That's so damn great, man. That's just so freaking good. You guys are. It's like my program built a program. The AI built my program for my program, and I'm just like, just at this one right here, we are basically just viewing the different tools, and we can tell what's going on from page title or image, and yo, we got a hero image, like that big image on top right there. We have that, and hey, I'm telling you, half the stuff I have in my libraries and stuff. Whoa, I'm just gonna like, you're gonna see the most dangerous program come alive that has the ability like YouTube, a lot of stuff, Twitter, and all this stuff gonna come alive right now. My brain just like start freezing up. This is VGA, the Digital Lab, and we got some things for you guys. And I took my baby, the smallest program, and chucked it in there and said, "Hey, I read this for me and tell me what's up." And it brought stuff to me like, wow, okay, no product added, yes. Yeah, yo, we can add a product. Whoa, whoa, my product dialog box got rebuilt. Whoa, mod up. Mod. And it has everything that I had there. The prices, yo, it's got the PayPal email, it's got the title of the product, it's got the image, yo, it's got the buy now text. If you want the buy now text, I can go to the old program and compare the old program to the new program. And this AI actually wrote based upon what I wrote. And we have a page view, you know what I mean? Stop your eyes. In the way that in my program I was using iframe to view the work of the page that I was doing. And this is on a simpler form because in my page, the original one is more really sophisticated, that you use just sophisticated stuff. And I'm cool with that, what I'm seeing right now, because I know this is just the first trial that I'm getting in there to see how the assistant programmer can help me to rewrite my script, you know, to be more better. So now I'm gonna get on board as a big guy and pay my little cash, and then I'll be able to style and do more to the page and learn the page. So, what you guys think about me upgrading? And this is, remember you guys, I talked about the audio generator, right? It was the audio generator pre. Yeah, I gotta like just try it out, build a store, and build a regular page. You know what I mean? Build a shop and product page. I can preview everything. You know what I mean? I'll go to the administration panel. You know what I mean? I can definitely see the amount of people who's going to be there. Like, you know what I mean? So it's going to be up because right here you can see all clients and stuff like that. So, wow. Whoa. So, hey, you guys, welcome to Dark Gold Generator, the first edition, and give thanks to the AI for giving me a better view of my pro. I can track my program. I can track clients and stuff. So we have, yo, the real studio embodies video, audio, galleries. Whoa, I forgot to tell this program. See, when I was doing this stuff, there was a gallery in there, but I didn't include the gallery. Maybe in there though when you're doing the page. You know what I mean? Let's look at the page builder. Because I had a gallery set up in there, that you can create galleries. So let me see what they're doing right here. We have the navigation right here. We have a bio text because it's music, right? And we have image. So this is really just serving for artists. So this is like, wow. Ooh, well, I don't know. Okay, thanks for viewing. And you see the updates coming your way. Give me a like and tell me how I'm doing from what you guys been seeing earlier and where I'm going. Okay?